I'm sorry, my advantage was knowledge applied consistently. Today that knowledge earned me over 100,000 bucks a week and funds multiple properties. I share it all in Telegram through free training and my signals. Join my community and message me. Knowledge wins every time. Every fake impulse teaches discipline. It trains my eye to separate reaction from noise. You can't stop fakes, but you can stop failing for them. Patience is the antidote to manipulation, and patience always pays. Here we open a buy trade after a strong price pullback. We are entering a bit ahead of the move. I expect that the trend to resume upward after this corrective candle. Let's highlight the working area and draw a trend line. Based on the price dynamics, we have a good point of contact here, right after the pullback, and that's why we are opening the trade for an upward movement. The zigzag indicator hasn't updated yet, which means the price should continue rising, forming a new local high. The last 10 seconds of the trade are remaining. Click the link below and see the real strategy in action. Completely free. I personally teach my members during live practice sessions so they can understand every step of the progress. Join the Telegram, get your free strategy breakdown, and start trading with knowledge, not luck. And once again, the trade closes in profit. I never chase after a candle that's already moved. If you see the move, you are already late. I prepare before it happens. I identify pressure zones and traps. When price hits the area, I'm ready to act instantly. Preparation makes reaction possible. I end each day by reviewing reactions, not just results. Did I move too early or too late? That question shapes tomorrow's accuracy because mastery isn't winning, it's understanding why. Precision is endless practice. Here we will open a sell trade. Going against the main trend, this time it within an upward movement. We can see that the zigzag indicator hasn't updated, so we can assume that the price movement may go downward within the next minute. Additionally, we notice a MACD crossover with strong histogram volume. And on top of that, the ADX indicator shows a weak trend strength. Its main line is below the 26 level, which also suggests that the price should move down. In the final 10 seconds, we can already see the result. The trade closes successfully in profit. When the market explodes, I don't panic, I focus. My eyes follow rhythm, not emotion. I've practiced reacting in seconds, not thinking in minutes. Fast doesn't mean reckless, it means ready. Prepared minds win fast charts. Want to start in trading but don't know how to begin? In my Sawyer community on Telegram, you will get free practice, real strategy, breakdowns, and daily trading signals with over 70% win rate. No fees, no nonsense, just results. Join us and see how fast you can grow when you learn the right way.